lalaki na ng okra. Wow. After 3 days, they are already like that. They are so big. And I think so they are old already. Look at that, guys. They are so big already. And I think, I don't know if you can able to cook this because they are so big already. See, look at that. There's the papaya on there, and our patula. Yeah, so that is our patula. I think I have another patula on there. I don't know what happened. No, it's still there. It's getting ripe, I think. So this is the update of our okra for today and this month. Yeah, so this time we are almost dying. I think they don't have any more, or there are a lot of smaller one, but I think it could not be. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's still good. They are still flowering. Some of them, they are still flowering. And our sweet potato still have a lot of green leafy bits. I mean, green leafy. They are still have green leaves. And we are about to dig this one also next week. Before the first week of October, I always dig my sweet potato. So that's the sweet potato here. And my banana is there. And nothing else anymore. They are all dried up here. Only the okra. And the patula. So that is the patula there, guys. And this is what the look like of our garden for this month. We have a lot of seeds of ripe okra, and we can plant that next summertime also. So bye guys, thank you for watching my video here in my channel. Thank you once again, guys. This is Abe's Vlog. Bye for now.